Ayan, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, saan man kayo naroon. Start na tayo ng ating ride for today. Another Zone 2 ride. Meron muna tayo. Trust the process tayo. So, Zone 2 lang naman muna tayo. Time check, it's 5:47. So Kadiwa City lang ulit tayo. Yung ride natin kahapon was okay. Medyo nabitin lang tayo na short lang tayo ng just a little over 1 kilometer para pa 50 kilometer. So back tayo sa ating normal programming kung saan tayo nagra-ride. Was okay dito sa nila-ride ako pag sa Tusong Alraja side kasi doon parang masyadong maraming instructions. So yan, let's go! Bike na tayo. Good morning again. Ito, papasok na tayo dito sa ating iniikutan. Kung napansin nyo, in the last couple of video na in-upload natin, yung sa simula ay laging kumbaga foggy yung video kasi nagmo-moist yung lens. Hindi ko napapansin nagmo-moist pala paglabas ko ng bahay kasi sa bahay syempre aircon, so malamig. Paglabas mo magmo-moist. I don't know if this video ang simula nito is ganun ulit, so pasensya na po kayo. Anyway, on that note, yan, start na tayo ng ating Zone 2 ride again. Another Zone 2 ride. Tsatsagay lang natin to kahit medyo boring. Let's just trust the process. Let's go. So ayan pala, so far nakaka 12 kilometers na tayo in 34 minutes. Yan, taas na rin yung araw. So yan, on that note, so muna tayo, shoutout muna. Shoutout sa mga subscribers natin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Kung wala kayo, baka tinamad na akong magpatuloy itong ating weight loss journey. Sa mga bago po, to all the new subscribers, welcome. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. And those who are watching na hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe na po kayo. Libre lang po yan. Just create a YouTube account. Yan. Yun lang. So ngayon, ang ride agenda natin is stick lang muna tayo sa Zone 2. Siguro until such time na talagang makaramdam na tayo ng changes. Just to give you an update, ang weight natin as of this morning, ang weight ko as of this morning, pagkagising ko, it's 98.2. So yan, unti-unti na bumababa tayo. Short term goal natin is to go down to at least 95 in the next 12 days bago tayo umuwi ng Pilipinas for a vacation to attend my son's graduation. So from ngayon hanggang sa makauwi muna tayo, rest day muna tayo, but we can have a recovery ride, pasyal ride, pero no rest day. Pinas na tayo magre-rest day. Ayun, so ride na tayo ulit. Let's go. So yan, 20 kilometers na tayo in 55 minutes. Ayan. Zone 2 pa rin. So share lang tayo ng a bit of a story. Actually not a story. So may kapupulutan kayo dito. So magkano nga ba ang how much did I spend as a new cyclist? Kumbaga, I'm talking about road bike. Syempre, of course, nag-start ang journey natin, ang weight loss journey natin when we bought this bike. Initially, ang plano ko yung I was doing research kung anong bike ang road bike, kasi I had a mountain bike before, pero kasi mas feel na feel mo pag road bike eh. Anyway, yan, so 165 days ago I bought this bike, Dragon Mart Mountain Bike Shop. So shoutout sa mga kabahay natin na nagtitinda dyan, kay Carl at kay partner ko. Well, anyway, the initial plan was I just wanted to buy the cheapest bike na medyo okay naman. So that time I didn't know about endurance or aero bike and this and that. Anyway, I'm just basing it on loops and I didn't even know the components. Walang ko rin magandang component ng bike, mga group set and this and that. Anyway, alam ko lang pala it's aluminum or alloy or carbon. So I was planning to buy this Java Siluro 6, which is at that time it's 2,800. So I didn't know what's the component. Ang alam ko lang sa kanya na alloy siya, aluminum siya. It's around 12 kg ang weight. Then I went to itong Dragon Mart. Tinignan ko, pero nakikita ko na rin itong carbon bike na to. So yun ang pinagbibilihan ko, between 2,800 and 5,000. So yan, so I ended up buying this 5,000 kasi kita nyo naman na medyo heavy tayo nung 165 days ago. Talagang heavyweight. I weigh about 126. Ano na yun, payat na yun. Ang weight ko it go as high as 135-36. So anyway, so balik tayo, magkano ba nagasto? So I bought this. So itong nakikita nyo lahat, pepresyohan natin yan. So I started with the bike. I bought this bike for 5,000 dirhams, divided by 3.65 sa dollars. Ayan, so 5,000 dirhams. So what upgrade I did with the bike? Una-una nagpa-bike fit ako. It's not an upgrade but one of the expenses. Nagpunta ako dyan sa may Alain sa Crankmaster kasi napanood ko sa vlog ni Gay Paris na doon din. So dinayo ko yon from pagkabili namin ng bike, diretso kami sa Alain Crankmaster. So bike fit, normal bike fit doon 150. I don't know kung ano na presyo na yun, but 165 days ago 150. That's a normal bike fit, yung positioning ng saddle post and this and that. So next, so that's 150. So 5,000 and 150. So you just do the math. And then I changed the pedal to a clipless pedal. Mga nasa 300 yata yung loop na yun. And then another 150 for my bike shoes, yung clipless shoes, yung bike shoes na ginagamit ko lang pag nasa actual bike track tayo, the Riot, or anyway soon gagamitin ko na yan on a daily basis. So yan, 5,000, 150 bike fit, pedals 300, shoes 150. Ayan. So bumili rin tayo ng bike computer, which is yung Magin C406 Pro. I bought it for 270. Doon din yan sa Upton Bike Shop. Anyway, before mga bago pa yan, marami pa. So anyway, yan na. Yung itong Camelback na na bottle, that's 45 sa Amazon, 45 dirham sa Amazon. Ano pa ba? Yung mga light, sabi natin spend 100. Now syempre yung camera hindi kasama. That's not part of the bike. So pag kayo, but I have, what I'm using is Insta360. I bought it in Amazon, 1,500. Yan. Yun lang ang in-upgrade ko sa bike ko, yung pedal lang. So the rest, my bike is full carbon, 105 group set excluding the crank. Back set, hindi kasama yung crank set. So ayan, so jersey. Nung nagsisimula tayo, I don't have a bike jersey. I have one that was given to me by my friend. Pero hindi pa ako komportable suotin kasi mukha ako talagang si Michelin na malaki ako eh. So syempre meron ako mga bike jersey na malalaki, so yun ang muna sinusuot ko from nung nagsisimula ako, bike jersey lang. Yan, tsinaga kaya ang sabi ko at that time, bibili lang ako ng bike jersey once na bumaba na yung weight natin sa 100. So yan, kaya from here on out, puro bike jersey na suot natin. Ano lang yan, binili ko siya sa Temu, gaya na nabanggit ko nung nakaraan. Sa Temu lang siya, I ordered it in Temu. Average siya 40 to 50 dirhams yung bike jersey. So mga 5 to 7 days bago siya dumating. And then pinaka-importante sa lahat, bike, itong yung cycling shorts, bib shorts. Get a bib shorts. Sa Upton Bike Shop din yan. Although I ordered it online, yung UAE cycle nila, yung nila, I bought it for 150. Quality naman siya, para sa akin quality siya. Helmet, tagal na tong helmet ko na to. Laser na helmet. I don't even know if it's kung ba siya, kung urig ba siya o peke lang. So most probably peke lang siya kasi I bought it before the pandemic. So this helmet is maybe 6-7 years old na or more than. I bought it for 150 dyan sa Facebook Market. So importante sa lahat, so considering myself as below average to average na nag-spend. So if you're a beginner or magsimula mag-bike, start with aluminum na bike, but make sure you get the right size. Napaka-importante nung size kasi diba ito binili ko, and then my wife, sabi namin pag naka mountain bike siya baka hindi na maiwan siya palagi sa akin. So we end up buying that Siluro, the aluminum bike as well, Siluro 6 for my wife. So yun yung ginagamit niya. So ayun, importante sa lahat yung bike fit. 150 kahit yung normal bike fit lang, kasi I think you need to do it from time to time yung bike fit kasi parang ngayon feeling ko I'm not fit na dito sa bike, so I need to do another bike fit. Well anyway, that's a different story. Ayun, so all in all, how much did I spend? This sabihin na natin around, including everything, siguro 7,000 to 8,000 dirhams. Siyempre, pwede mo naman unti-untiin yun, i-project mo yun. Unahin mo yung bike. You don't need to change to clipless pedal right away. Gamay mo muna yung bike mo. Tapos, jersey, yung bike jersey, I suggest na bumili na kagad kayo, pero not the pricey one. Isa o dalawa para kung araw-araw kayo magbabike, may palitan, nalalabahan. And invest on cycling shorts, yung bib shorts. Huwag kayo bibili ng shorts lang, dapat yung merong bib. Yun lang. Parang haba ng sharing natin. Anyway, so I spend around 7,000 to 8,000 dirhams as a beginner, yung magsisimulang maging bike as a beginner cyclist. So yan lang ang sharing natin ngayon. Ika nga nakararami, sharing is caring. So balik na tayo, let's go. So yan, exit na tayo dito. 40 kilometers lang tayo. Hindi na nag-enjoy. Sakit na nung tumay ko. Isa pa ba? Pwede naman tayong bumawi bukas. Dubai, magdo-Dubai pala ride tayo bukas. Baka Mozambique, Meramidad or Mahala na. 40 kilometers lang muna. Yan lang muna tayo. Zone 2, 40 kilometers. Pwede na yan, not bad. Kahit pa kasi nung kamay ko. Anyway, yan na, exit na tayo. Go. The final number. Pabaan natin sa bike. See what more, let's go. So yan, dito na nagtatapos ang ating bike ride for today. So 40 kilometers, 1 hour 48 minutes. Okay na rin. Kaya nga na sinabi ko, there's no point of continuing if you're not enjoying. So nagtatalo talaga isip ko, should I push it to 50 or 40? I go, what's the point of continuing if you're not enjoying? So sakit na kasi. Ano kaya gagawin ko doon? Well, anyway, thank you Lord for the safe ride. Salamat sa mga nakabot dito. So if you find this entertaining, interesting, and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See ya. Let's go.